Hello astronomers! SESTO SENSO 3 is the third generation of our robotic focusing motor, and in this video I'll show you how to install it on your telescope with Crayford or rack-and-pinion focuser. Let's start! When we designed SESTO SENSO 3 focusing motor for external focusers, we wanted to make installation even easier and more precise. Unlike the previous model, the new self-centering clamp 2 allows you to directly connect SESTO SENSO 3 to focusers with 25, 26, 33 or 37mm shafts with the adapters that are already included in the box. To install SESTO SENSO 3 focusing motor for external focusers, start by removing the manual focusing knob from your telescope focuser. First, remove the micrometric knob by loosening the small screw. Then remove the coarse knob. Inside the SESTO SENSO 3 box, you will find a set of differently colored bushings designed to attach to the focuser's inner shaft. Simply choose the bushing that best fits your focuser shaft, insert it and secure it with the grab screw and the supplied Allen screw. Next, select the correct adapter included in the SESTO SENSO 3 box. If your focuser has a 37mm shaft, you don't need any adapter. SESTO SENSO 3 will connect directly. If your focuser has a 25mm, 26mm or 33mm shaft, other shaft diameters are not supported, just insert the corresponding adapter in the SESTO SENSO 3 self-centering clamp 2. Now insert the long grab screws into the self-centering clamp 2 and place the two grab screws into the red bushings inside the SESTO SENSO 3 chassis. Now connect SESTO SENSO 3 to your focuser. Push SESTO SENSO 3 until it stops. With the included Allen key, tighten the two grab screws. Secure SESTO SENSO 3 to the focuser by tightening the main screw on the side of the self-centering clamp 2. Then tighten the three smaller grab screws around the clamp to make sure everything is firmly locked in place. Before powering on SESTO SENSO 3, manually turn the focuser knob on the opposite side to check that the movement is uniform. Your SESTO SENSO 3 installation is now complete. Now connect the included 12V cable to a suitable power source and plug in the USB Type-C cable from your Eagle or any Windows 10 or 11 computer. The power LED will turn on and blink if SESTO SENSO 3 is brand new and needs for calibration. And after a few seconds, the Wi-Fi LED will light up, confirming the motor is ready. In Windows Device Manager, check which COM port is assigned to your SESTO SENSO 3. If the device does not appear or it shows a yellow exclamation mark, it means Windows was unable to install the driver automatically, and you have to install it manually by using the driver you find in the SESTO SENSO 3 software package you can download from the Primaluce Lab website. Download from Primaluce Lab website our Play software and install it in your Windows computer. Launch Play and open the configurator section. Select Focuser, choose the COM port assigned to your SESTO SENSO 3 and click Connect. Before first use, you need to calibrate the SESTO SENSO 3 focusing motor with your focuser. SESTO SENSO 3 offers two calibration modes, semi-auto, which is the one we recommend, and manual. If you select the semi-auto one, move the focuser draw tube all the way in and press Confirm 0 position. Click Start and let the motor extend the draw tube. Then press Stop before reaching the end of travel. Press Next and calibration is complete. If you select the manual one, move the draw tube all in, then press Confirm 0 position. Move the draw tube all out and press Store as max position. Press Next and calibration is complete. Please remember that you can calibrate your SESTO SENSO 3 also by using the included virtual handpad that allows you to control it wirelessly, also by using a smartphone or a tablet. That's it! Now your SESTO SENSO 3 is fully installed, connected and calibrated, ready for your observing or imaging sessions. For more content that will help you to explore the universe like a pro, subscribe to our channel and clear skies!